Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel on December 6th. This is the 6th day in our Elvis Presley Advent calendar build series, and we are going to hop right into this. Before I get started, if this is your first time visiting the channel, welcome, and thanks for stopping by. If you wouldn't mind clicking that subscribe button, I'd really appreciate it, and give the video a thumbs up. As for my current subscribers, thank you so much everyone for your support. I really appreciate it. All right, let's find the box marked December 6th. That's way up here, so let's pull that out. Oh, that's a pretty heavy box. All right, cool. Let's see what's in here. Okay. Oh, okay. All right, we have what appears to be a jigsaw puzzle. Oh my. Okay, well, I'm going to pause this for a minute and I'll be right back. I'll probably do maybe a time lapse or something on this. I am not that great at jigsaw puzzles, so this may take me a while. So for you guys, it won't be a while, thank goodness. But before I get into that, let's look and see what it says in the book here for December 6th. Okay, for December 6th, it talks about the Lincoln Continental Mark II. A lot of people know that Elvis liked Cadillacs, but he also liked the Ford and Lincoln products as well. So this section talks about how in 1955 he bought a second-hand 1951 Cosmopolitan, and he kept that car so well that he wouldn't even allow people to smoke in it, which back then, that's saying something. Looks like unfortunately that car fell victim to an accident, but then in July of '56 he bought a brand new Lincoln Premier, but a short while later, while in Miami, he traded that in for a Lincoln Continental Mark II. It also talks about that this was his first officially reported buying spree or shopping spree for new vehicles. That was one of many to come. So that's pretty interesting. Okay, over here it says, today, a little patience game is waiting for you. Take a little time and put the 100-piece puzzle together from box 6 for a beautiful Elvis motif. All right, so I'm going to mark this page because I'm getting to where I have to put a bookmark in. I'm going to build this puzzle real quick and see what it looks like. Oh, but before we do that, we need to close up this box and put it back in here so we can see that picture taking shape as well. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay friends, well, as I said, I'm not very good with jigsaw puzzles, so I think I will have my wife give me a hand with this later on, and I'll show you a picture of it when it's done. So that's the end of December 6th, and I will see you guys tomorrow on December 7th for a new box and a new step in the Elvis Presley Advent calendar. So until then, everyone have a great day, and go build something. Just not a jigsaw puzzle.